Hello everyone, this is Jacob with Nexus here at 136 3rd Avenue, Unit 3R in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a third floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, renovated and updated, fresh paint, new floors, updated kitchen and bathroom, repolished hardwoods, much more. We're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the central kitchen. Kitchen area does house the main entryway to the unit, leads to the living room, one of the bedrooms, and the bathroom. On top of that, kitchen houses a brand new vinyl wood flooring, some newer kitchen appliances, new cabinetry, new countertop, backsplash, and an additional pantry closet for some storage. Appliances, of course, include the medium-sized refrigerator, 4-burner stove and oven, and the dual-bin sink. Kitchen also houses plenty of space for a small to medium-sized dining set. I think this corner right here works perfectly for that. But that is essentially the kitchen. Next, let's check out the living room. So, living room and bedrooms all house the repolished hardwood flooring, fresh paint of course, cozy living space, not the biggest in the world, plenty of outlets though for electronics, good enough space for a small sofa, a small entertainment system. You also have an additional closet in this living room for some extra storage. Another note with this unit, you do have electric baseboard heat throughout this apartment, and the living room does house one of the 2 bedrooms. This is the bedroom with a closet space, fresh paint, repolished hardwoods once again. Perfect for a standard, the full-size bed set. That's probably as big as I would go with this bedroom. Right around the corner is the closet. So this is your first bedroom. Second bedroom is housed in the kitchen area, right around the corner. Again, repolished hardwoods, fresh paint. This bedroom I think will be able to fit a queen bed set in it. Just be reminded that this bedroom does not have a closet. But queen bed set should work pretty well in this second bedroom. And finally is the bathroom. Bathroom's been pretty updated. You have, again, new vinyl wood flooring, fresh paint, new toilet, new sink and mirror vanity, and you have the claw tub and shower housed at the end. Excellent. So once again, this is 136 3rd Avenue, Unit 3R here in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. Of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located on that page as well. And thank you very much.